And Delisha, why did you ask for volume revision today? Okay. Didn't go to school? When did you go through the record? Early morning to study? Okay, first manual all students. I had given the formula yesterday. Whoever was present. Dia had uploaded. Did you go through the recording? So it is left up to you. The weekly once or twice you're absent. When I start revision, 1 week you attend regularly. After that again you start. Why were you absent yesterday? Hospital. Okay. 1 week you're regular. If I think you're answering well, doing well, the second week again back to form. Okay, next question, students. I'll give you the formulas. A plus B the whole cube, A minus B the whole cube. What is A plus B the whole cube? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Next, A minus B. Look at the first quest. First main, you'll try it. Second main, third main, any one question. I'll do the third question, students. Third one. Look at the third question. If can you see the screen, all of you? Is it being shared? 3x minus 2y is 5. Xy is equals to 6. We need to find 27x cube minus 8y cube, students. How do you all solve this question? All of you respond. Which one we have to cube? We need to cube 3x minus 2y. Do I need to use a plus b the whole cube or a minus b the whole cube? Yeah. Use a minus b the whole cube. Be quick. Everything is minus for a minus b the whole cube. So the next 4 days is going to be very important. If you'll attend on time, you can solve. If not, just ignore students. I can't keep sending messages. 3 cube is 27x cube minus 8y cube. What is the value of 3x minus 2y? What's the question? What is 3x minus 2y? You have to substitute 5. Complete. What's the value, students? 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18. When you multiply, what did you all get? How much is 18 into 5? 90 xy, right? What is xy value? What is xy value given? Yes, 90 into 6 is negative, goes to the other side. 27x cube minus 8y cube is equals to 125 plus 90 into 6. How much is 90 into 6? Okay, 129 plus 540. Does anyone have textbook? Can you check the answer? Third question, students. Exercise 3B, third question. Exercise 3B, third question. 669. What's answer in textbook, Dia? You have textbook with you? The answer is wrong. What is 65? Where did I go wrong? 65 in the textbook. Okay. Can you tell me where I've gone wrong, students? It is 125, right? 125. Yes, the answer is correct. As we saw, check the answer in textbook, all of you. 125, 665. Just two questions. That's it. In this way, only two questions. We'll start with simultaneous linear equation substitution method. Next question. See, everything is in the same way, students. Whether you take plus, minus. I'll just explain the first one. Degree is 1. You have to convert degree into 3. You have to cube it. First one, you have to cube. Use a plus b the whole cube. Second one, a minus b the whole cube. Even the third one, same thing. Eighth question, same. A minus b the whole cube. I'll do the ninth question. X plus 1 by x is equals to 4. Find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. How do you solve this? If you do this, you can solve 6, 7, 8. This is the first question. We also need to find x minus 1 by x. And the third one is x cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay, these are the three things. Now the first question, how do you solve the first one, students? Degree is 1. If you want to convert into 3, you need to cube it, right? Cube on both the sides. Which one do we use? A plus b the whole cube or a minus b the whole cube? Which formula do we use? Yes. Completed, try it. Kia, Delicia, I want you all to solve. Dia, Kia, Delicia. Okay. Angel, all of you all. Angel, all the students. Island. So don't sit idle. Don't wait for me, students. You all know your marks. You all know the way you all scored. So practice it. Practice. Next week is your exam. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, 12. Plus 12 goes to the other side becomes minus 12. How much is 4 cube? So 64 minus 12. What's the answer, students? All of you got 52 degrees. Sorry, 52 as the answer. 3 fours are 12. 52. Then next, how do you find x minus 1 by x if x plus 1 by x is given? Which formula do we use? See, degree is 1 and 1, students. When you're converting degree 1 to 1, what concept I told you all? There are two things. One, you add or subtract. All of you respond, completed the first one. Got 52. Next, what do you do if you want to convert degree 1 to degree 1? There is no special formula like this. What is the special formula we have? X plus 1 by x the whole square minus x minus 1 by x the whole square is equals to what? 4? 4ab, right? X into 1 by x will get cancelled. 4. What is x plus 1 by x value given? 4 square. X minus 1 by x as it is equals to 4. Complete this. Whenever degree 1 is given, do it like this, students. Always use minus formula. So 16, bring this 4 to the other side. Minus 4 is equals to x minus 1 by x the whole square. How much is 16 minus 4? 12. Then the square goes to the other side. Square root is equals to x. Okay, what is x minus 1 by x, students? What is the square root of 12? All of you respond. 2 root 3. Then find x cube minus 1 by x cube. Take this part and cube it. All of you take the last part and cube it. See, I'll tell you how to cube this. How many times root 3 is multiply if you cube it? How many times you have to multiply root 3, students? 3 times. In that, what happens to root 3 into root 3? 3 root 3 is the answer. Remember this concept. You get 3 root 3. I'll write the direct value. X is 2 root 3. What's the answer for this, students? 2 cube into root 3 the whole cube. 2 cube is how much? How much is 2 cube? 8 into what is root 3 the whole cube? Root 3 the whole cube is 3 root 3. So you get 24 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Answer is 30 root 3. All of you completed? Done? What's the answer, students? Is it correct? Ninth question. Can you check the answer there? Ninth is correct. 30 root 3. Okay, fine. So I'll show it. 52 students. First one was 52. So we have solved one of. This was the toughest question compared to everything. That 52. Next we use a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equals to 4ab formula. This part. Then with the help of that formula, that value we got x minus 1 by x is 2 root 3. We use 2 root 3, we got this one. Kia, how long Kia completed? When did you say? Use bracket rule for 3 students. For 3C, everything is different. Use bracket rule and solve this. Okay, enough. Enough in this. We'll start the next one. So this week we'll just revise all the easier ones. Simultaneous linear equation. Okay, look at simultaneous linear equation. So they had given, ma'am had given this question for revision, I guess. Sixth one. Okay, you can use substitution elimination, students. You can try that. I'm going to do this 16th and 17th. I'll do the 17th question. 17th one, elimination method. Where are the variables in the 17th question? All of you will respond. Numerator or denominator? Where are the variables? Denominator. Both are in denominator. So we can't do it directly, students. You can't use any of the method. The only option is take 1 by x separately. Look, in this question, write 3 by 2 into 1 by x plus 2 by 3 into 1 by y. All of you will solve this. What do we need to take 1 by x as? When both are in denominator, we use UV concept. What is 1 by x? You have to take it as u. Then what do you get here? 3 by 2u plus 2 by 3v is equals to 5. For this equation, you get 5u minus 3v is equals to 1. Use elimination method, students. All of you will complete this. Use elimination method. One more thing, whatever you are writing now, you'll have to send a pic to me. Immediately after class you send. If not, I'll just text your parents. So we have done 2 questions. This is the third question. Complete this. Complete the third one. What do you mean by not exactly need kiya? You just do it neatly. In exam, however you do it in the same way. Okay, continue from this question. Ignore that. Continue from this. I know, students. If I ask you all a pick, only then you all will write. Okay. Okay, do it. Complete. Use elimination method. See which one we can eliminate. Cross multiply. Yes, Kia, which one do you have to eliminate? Dia, Kia, can you respond? Which one has plus and which is minus? V, right? So what I have to multiply first one, Dia. What is the coefficient of V? 3. And for the next one, what is the coefficient? 2 by 3. Multiply 3 by 2u plus 2 by 3v is equals to 5. 5u minus 3v is equals 1. So when you multiply 9 by 2u plus, look here, 2 by 3 into 3v is equal to 3, 2v. This is one of the tough questions. First complete this. Left hand side both are positive, students. Take 9 by 2u plus 10 by 3u. Take LCM. Here you get 15 plus 2 by 3. Which is 47. LCM. LCM is 6. You get 27u plus 20u, right? And here what do you get? 47 by 3. What happens to 6 if it goes to the other side? So 27 plus 20 is 47u is equals to 47 divided by 3 into 6. Respond. Then how do you find the value of u? This 47, you have to bring it down, right? 47, 47, 3 ones are 3 twos are. What is u, students? U is equals to 2. All of you will respond. Are you all doing it? Why you are silent? I will complete it. Island, Angel, Delicia. Is Angel online? Can you respond, Angel? U is equals to 2. Complete this. If you don't send your notes, I'm definitely going to send a message, students. Substitute u in any one of the equation. Find the value of v. All of you got the answer 3. V is equals to 3. Yeah, V. So what we have taken, students, see u and v is not the answer. What we have taken u value. What is u? U is equals to 2, right? Therefore, what is x? Reciprocal this. See, we have taken 1 by x is equals to, therefore x will become 1 by 2. And what about y? If v is 3, y is? Correct. Tell me, just reciprocate. It becomes 1 by 3. Yeah, this is the value of x7. 1 by 2, 1 by. Shall we try the next one, students? All of you completed? Okay, elimination is done. Substitution, we know. One question on cross multiplication method. How do you solve cross multiplication method? Let me take any one question. I'll take the sixth question. 2x plus 5y. Okay, one cross multiplication. I'm going to take this 2x minus 3y plus 8. 2x minus 3y. For cross multiplication, everything should be on the left hand, students. Left hand side. 0. Next, 3x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, how do you solve cross multiplication method? What's the word I told you to remember? All of you respond. What word I told you? Yes, very good. B cap. So if you just remember that B cap, that is enough. You will be able to solve B, C, A, B. Okay, next. On top of this, you should have written X, Y, like this, students. X, Y, and 1. Hmm. Y and 1. Now, first X, Y, 1, B, C, A, B. On top of this, you'll write A, B, C. A2, B2, C2. Then what about the alphabet, students? Tell me the alphabets. X1 and Y1. This side. X2 and Y2. That's it. Just copy this. What is the formula, students? Tell me, below B cap, what I should write? B1, B cap is nothing but B1, C1, A1, B1, students. B1, C1, A1, B1. Then below that, B2. Yeah, cross multiply, what do you get? See, and what's the main formula? X divided by 1, you should get a value, and Y divided by 1. For X, what's the answer? What's the formula, students, for X? Okay, that is the, yeah, formula. That is the formula. But what is the value of trade? What is B1 here? Hmm, let me, yeah, like this, and like this is cross multiply. Now for x, these two values. Tell me for x, B1 into C2 minus B2 C1 divided by, for 1, take these 4 for 1. A2 B1. Now next tell me for y, minus A1 divided by A1, it is same, right? Minus A2 B1. Can you see all the values are given? B1, A1, C1. Okay, this is how you're supposed to. Any question? Tell me the first point, students. All the alphabet should be, all the numbers alphabet should be on which side? Left hand side. Then on top of that, write A1, X1, B1, Y1, C1. Next, A2, B2, C2, Y2, C1. Then write B cap. In B cap, write B1, C1, A1, B1. Then again B2, C2, A2, C2. That is what we need to cross multiply. This is the formula. Now all of you tell me A value. Look at the value A1. What is A1? A1 is 2. What is B1? Minus 3. Minus 3. C1? 8. What is X1? X1. X1 is X. No, X1 is actually not required. Yeah, X1 is not required. X1, Y1 is not required. Is it required in the formula, students? No. No. Tell me C1, A2, B2. What is A2? 3. What is B2? If no value is given, it is 1. And C2, how much is C2? C2 is also 1. Substitute completed. First go through what I have done, students. Don't just blindly copy. Go through, try to do it on your own. You'll definitely get one question. Do it without seeing. Yes, completed all long students. Maximum only within 5 minutes you'll have to complete. You're taking too long. Okay, what is x value? Minus 3 minus 8 divided by 2 plus 9. And y? 16 plus, is it 16? which is which is 8 into 3. Sorry, 8 into 3. Yes. 8 3 is how much is 8 3 is a 24. 24. Okay, what's the value here? Minus 11 divided by plus 11. Answer is 1. For y, what do you get? 3, which one? 8 into 3. This part? Okay, 8 into 3 minus, what is the C2 A1? Okay, C2 was given. C2 is A1 and A1 is into 2. Okay, what is 1 into 2? Minus 3, right? It should be minus 3 students. What is 24 minus 2? How much is 24 minus 2? 22 by 11 is 2. Is it correct? All of you got the answer? Response students, all of you understood? X is minus 1. Yeah, this question they are given for revision. So most probably they would give even for final exam. Same similar question they might give. Make a note. Be quick. This is how we are supposed to do in exam, right? A, B, C value, B cap, all these things. All of you completed. Any doubts in this, students? Cross multiplication, do you have any doubts? Okay, next, which chapter do you have? That's it, only 2 chapters revision. Only these questions. Next one, which chapter you'll have for exam? All of you respond. Do you have the portions with you all? Anya, you there online, Anya? Tell me the portion, students. What is the next chapter? Is it expansion? Do you have expansion? Okay, expansion question. Just the important ones. Expansion, other 15, 10 minutes I'll conduct. Expansion 9. No, expansion is done. Just now we completed. For everything, you'll tell us. After expansion, which one? Dual of factorization. Not even thinking what I am asking students. For everything, yes. Whatever I ask, yes. Factorization, ninth. Okay, factorization. There are four methods, students. Four methods. Okay, in question paper. First, we'll solve question paper. Tell me, Delicia, what is it? You want to leave? Okay, now here you asking something. X plus Y elimination factorization. Where is factorization question? Okay, factorize completely. First we'll solve this. Later we'll move on to the exercise, students. Look at the question, last year question. 32x square minus 18x square y. First question, next. 8a cube plus 27b cube. Second question. How many terms are there, students? How many terms are given? All of you respond. How many terms total? Two terms are given. Both are different questions. Both are different. So x square and y square given, but 32 and 18 are not perfect square. So first factorize, take 32 and 18. What is the common value for 32 and 18? 2 into 16 and 2 into 9. Take 2 common, you'll get 16x square minus 9y square. Then how do you convert? Which concept can we use here? All of you will respond. Which concept? Can we use a square minus b square? Am I audible to all? Nobody is responding. Angel, Delicia, what's wrong with you all students? Aileen, Anya, Kia. Why you all are not responding, students? I'm asking you the questions, right? You'll know all this concept. Will you revise it on your own? Expansion. See, wantedly you all are doing. This is, I've told you all many times.